today in this video we're going to be unboxing the Echo Show 8. I'm not sure if this is new, but we're going to be unboxing it today. Somewhere around $100, I'm pretty sure, maybe 200. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and check it out. It has an 8-inch screen, a really nice sounding speaker, and it's capable with different types of services. We're going to be using it with the Blink cameras for our home security system, and this is able to fully control that. So we're just going to go ahead and open the box, and it comes with a ton of different stuff, such as the device itself, nicely packaged. Amazon has pretty nice packaging, especially for a good price. You have the power adapter, which is pretty small, I guess. And then you have a quick start guide, which was really easy to read and very easy to set up in general. So that's everything you get in the box. Let's go ahead and open the product itself. Like I said, this is an 8-inch screen, and then it has nice fabric around it and really good sounding speakers, so you can hear Alexa's voice nice and clearly, or anything in general. If you want to listen to music or watch YouTube or do anything on this, you're able to do that. You're able to look at different cameras and different angles and different stuff like that. It's really cool. I highly recommend this product, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. I said that already. Whoops.